Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure you go down, hit the subscribe button. We're so close to 100 subs. So in today's video, we are going to be replacing my door speakers because they were crappy and blown. And I want to give a huge shout out to Waleed for the $20 donation the other day, and Alpha for the $3 donation. But this is going to be recorded after doing the door speakers. They're already in. Everything's already done with them. So, and I'm in the process of making another video that I kind of forgot to hit record for, so I'm gonna catch up on it. But yeah, just wanted to catch y'all up, do the intro for the video, and I'll see y'all after.
And fire engine red.
Yeah, it's the best color.
Now, I'm just go ahead and take that off, just in case. Well, did you just get them tires today?
I got Saturday. Well guys, you want to see what came out of this? This little 5.5 inch right here, about to have some good audio in it, and it was literally just sitting right there. It wasn't even in there. It's too small for the hole and they put it in. But that passenger side is blown, so we're getting some new speakers put in. Some of the Pioneer 6.5s. There's some good old Pizza Hut. But I'm not doing it myself because I didn't want to break my door panel. Because my interior is actually in decent shape. Don't look at this or that. But those two in the back, those are 4x10s. So I'm going to have to order them off the internet because nobody's going to have a 4x10 in store. So, but we'll catch up with you once we're doing the other side. Once we get this one in, I'll show y'all. And then once we get that other side going, I'll show y'all. Way better.
How much wire's in here? That's not bad. I still like to have a little piece of tape though. Alright.
What's up guys? I just saw us get the door speakers put in. I'm not really gonna do a sound comparison or a quality update, but I went with Pioneer 6.5 inch speakers. They sound really good. Way better than having one blown. But anyway, thank y'all for watching, and we'll see y'all next time.